Hi everyone! Today I'm making a super simple and delicious tofu veggie pancake. Soft tofu, mixed with fresh vegetables, pan-fried until golden on the outside and still tender inside. If you enjoy vegetarian dishes, this is definitely one to try. First, blend the carrot until finely chopped. Then do the same with the broccoli. Set them aside. In a large bowl, add the tofu. Crack in 1 egg. Then add the chopped carrot and broccoli. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and season with a little salt, sugar, white pepper, and sesame oil. Mix everything well until it becomes a slightly thick batter. Heat a little oil in a pan. Scoop in the mixture and shape it into small round pancakes. Let each side cook for about 2 minutes. Cook them slowly until both sides are golden, with a light crisp on the outside. Plate them up while they're still hot. Dip them in your favorite sauce. Now it's time to enjoy your tofu veggie pancakes. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and let's make delicious food simple.